Hello, and welcome to this video on how to replace the SIM card in your CAT-200X ankle-mounted GPS monitor. Firstly, make sure you have a small Phillips screwdriver, such as the one included with the tracker. You may also want to have a small flathead screwdriver. You'll see why in a moment. Now, we're going to start by opening up the back cover. Here's where the flathead screwdriver may come in handy. Once the cover is open, use the included screwdriver to remove the screws holding the metal plate and rubber seal in place. Be careful not to lose any parts. I actually lost a screw in the process of making this video, so it's very easy to do. After the plate and seal are removed, you'll see some circuitry and the SIM card held in a seat. Using a finger, slide the top of the seat until you feel it come unlocked, at which point you should be able to flip the top of the seat open and remove the SIM card. You can then carefully insert the replacement SIM card. Then, lock the seat by flipping the top piece down and sliding it back till you feel it click into place. After the card is inserted, flip the small nearby switch downward. Then, after 10 seconds, flip the switch back up. This will power cycle the device, forcing it to connect to the new SIM card's network. You should now be able to reattach the screws and metal plate covering the circuits. Then, flip the cover down and press it back into position. Happy tracking, and thanks for watching.